Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, the options which are in the right upper corner, so the 3 bars icon. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer, so we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds, so basically just tap on it, and if it is highlighted, then we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. As you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course it will work the same with all other options, so the 3 and 5 seconds. And if you want to, you can always turn off the timer just by tapping on this crossed out timer icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.